YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be installing my Top Speed Pro 1 high flow test pipes, you could call them. So I'm at the shop right now, and we're gonna get these things installed. I'm gonna set y'all up on the tripod. It's not gonna be too much talking in this video. We're just gonna get these things on. I'm gonna do a comparison of the my exhaust from my Y pipe back and stock cats, and then I'm gonna do another comparison after I got the test pipes on with my exhaust and all that. So y'all stay tuned and be prepared, be ready. Also, I'm gonna be flashing a new ROM file to my ECU so my car can know that I got test pipes on it. So that means the flames, all that is gonna be coming. So stay tuned to this video, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn on that post notification bell. Peace. Alright, y'all, so we got it up in the air. I'm about to get to spraying these bolts with some, I'm missing a bolt right here. That's probably why I think I was having a little exhaust leak, but spray these up right here. Spray this one up. Spray this one up. Bolts look bad. Hey, yeah, make sure y'all spray these bolts before y'all remove them. Gotta get up top and spray some of those too. Right here. Spray that. Of those. Spray this one right here.
Ooh, Sam, killed it.
I like my girls bougie and
Hey, whoever did your line got bored, bro, I'll tell you that.
yo bitch geared off of drugs and feel special. How she hoeing but can't pay metro. Pack a new Porsche but ain't got no petrol. Everybody had a sugar like death row. Sticks all up in her body like scarecrows. Face.
Hey, yeah, so I got them all sprayed down now, y'all. So when we start taking these stock cats out, I'm gonna tune back in with y'all, let y'all know the process. Alright, y'all, we got that demon bolt out. We got that demon bolt out. About to get these crusty things up out of here. Man, I know this thing gonna be flowing too, for sure. Definitely some more power. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all, we got them things out.
Twin City Road. That's what's Twin City.
Anyway, I spare you this time, man.
Always spare me, okay?
No, I spare you this time. You know why?
Wow.
You burn all up my gas. You use my car. You're driving around like nothing. So.
I'll put some more gas
Got
in
them
there.
out.
Put 15, it didn't move.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
So I'm gonna tune in with y'all when we get them in. I'm gonna give you that first startup.
Mo, you need to video or something?
Nah, I got it. So they on, man. We lowering it. Throw that wheel back on. Get that first startup. See how it sound. Hey, I know this thing gonna sound good too.
Right there?
All right.
No more, Kevin?
Very little fucking thing, even 2 after 2. What the fuck? Alright, Mo gonna fire up.
You hear the difference though? It's like, it's deeper, like. I like that. Oh yeah.